Hello again. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Stacia Moore, the owner of the Valley's only Audigy certified hearing care practice. And I would like to tell you about our practice's commitment to serving your hearing care needs. At More Hearing, our commitment is to provide you an unsurpassed hearing care experience. And that begins the moment you contact our practice, and it continues for as long as you are in our care. During your initial appointment, we'll discuss the hearing and communication difficulties that you are facing. And once we've gained an understanding through the world of your ears, we'll test your hearing to accurately determine the degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing. After the appropriate test, our Audigy certified professionals will discuss your test results in detail and in a manner that focuses on your understanding of those findings. We believe an educated patient is an empowered patient, and the better you understand the nature of your hearing loss, the better we can effectively collaborate to alleviate the effects of your hearing loss and to actually lessen the negative effects it may be having on your life. So together, we will examine the various treatment solutions that are available to your specific hearing loss and talk about how they apply to your desired hearing and your desired communication goals. At More Hearing, our goal is to meet and exceed your expectations through our compassionate, friendly, and thorough approach to hearing health care. Please consider calling my office today to make better hearing a part of your everyday life.